what's up guys, today I'm going to be playing Twisted on Roblox. So yeah, we can just watch me play. Let's see. Which one did we get? Hey, 75,000. Let's go. I'm spawning at Prior Lake. It is spawning. I'm spawning onto a 6 car. Yeah, I knew spawning here would be a good idea. Alright, now I have to just go east. Go off the east highway. Big wind gusts. I am at Homo, and it said location of me at Homo. Let's see. Alright. Let's just drive to Nateville. Whoa, bro. That was close. Oh, I'm going back this way. Then we're gonna turn north. Like that. Alright. Look at my graphics. It's all the way up. I don't see any rotation. Oh, rotation that way. Wall club. Wall club. Tornado. The way we're heading. Head to. can see it. Trying to poke up. Touchdown. I think. No, I can't see it anymore. I can't see it anymore, bro. Oh, I can see it now. I can see it. Skinny rock tornado to our west. Northwest now. Oh! What the? Oh! Oh my! Dude! Oh! Go, 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 go. Get on the bridge, get on the bridge, get on the bridge, get on the bridge, get on the bridge. Go, 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 go. It's right back there. That's a wedge. That's a big wedge. It's right back there. It's right back there. This is what? You have 3? Yeah, that whole thing. You guys see it? You guys see it? Look at it. In the shadows. You see that big thing right there? Yeah. I think you see it now. You probably see it now, but that's wedge. That's massive. Yeah, you guys see it now. It's big. I don't think it's bigger than Alvino though. It's probably like a mile wide. What? I'm gonna buy a pill when we go. Dot 3, dot. Dot 3 in the path. Hey, this way. What? Okay, keep dropping. Keep driving. What is moving southeast? Look at what? You have 2. Only you have 2. Probably have but no. Oh shoot! Get in front of it fast. We planted it, y'all. Money made 108, 119, 132, 145. Maximum wind speeds of 109. I'm getting my paycheck. Why would you plant it right there, bro? It's roaring, bro. Violent high-end EF3, I'm guessing. What are you doing? Why is there so much scouts? was wedges before, but now it's like, yeah, it's probably an EF. No, it's an EF1, but it's big though. Yeah. Yeah, that's probably the wall card, right? Oh yeah, that's a wedge monster. It's a wedge monster. Is it time to go? Iroko. Okay, this could go up and drop right on by Iroko. It's wanting to come back down. It's wanting to come back down here by Roko, bro. It's gonna touch down. Oh, that's one. Oh my gosh, bro, another time. I will have to turn and go all the way. I'm gonna leave the vehicle, guys. Alright, where's my... Oh, there it is. Okay, now where is it? It's heading that way, right? Yeah, it's definitely heading that way. Yeah. Someone's chasing and wobbling. I think I'm just gonna respawn. I think I'll just respawn. Yeah, I'll just respawn, I guess. Just missed out on that tornado. I want to just go to that one, that we would head north, so that one. So I'm thinking we're gonna go up to Hazelton, turn on the interstate on DeSoto 2, and turn back south and storm. This is now on EF4. Oh shoot! Yeah, we're going to go on the. Okay, buddy. Which is what's the net? 17,500. Suspension. Maintenance. Engine. What are we missing out? You have 5. You have 5. Number 9. Let's go. Okay, cut in here. Sirens. Oh. Okay, we're gonna turn up here on this thing. Alright, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn. We'll go for the tornado. La 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 la. So 1 for 0. Alright. Only thing that can eliminate this color is lightning. Where is like the... I keep going straight. I can eliminate it. Eliminate the storm. Bruh. Make sure to like and subscribe too. Oh! Easy there. So I should be right in front of it. Is this? Okay. Where is it? Guys, help me. Oh, wind speed's lower. Should be right behind me. Okay, I'm gonna go take the left. Yeah, right over there. Stop skidding! Where is that? South? Elmora. Let's just go to Elmora then. Should take it from the computer. $5.11. Oh yeah, if you guys want to get my Robux, it's the Mesa 15. Just to let you know, and I think yeah, but on here it's I love tennis 33212, and yeah, that's what it is. It's this. Yeah. I love tennis 3333. I love tennis 33212. That's what it is. So yeah. Oh, dark club. There. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to stay tuned for more and like and sub.